My brother Simba Arati to have respect and have humility. I am saying this with a lot of bitterness because kuna pesa ambayo imerudi kwa exchequer in the last financial year 3.6 billion shillings ambayo ingesaidia kaunti yetu ya Kisii, kwa sababu ateverelete amangana hichisigi elia kabere. We have the CRF chibese chire chitigaretaria se county 2.4 billion to accord the first quarter of this financial year. Not a single cent. Is that the county we want? That is not the county we want. Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, have respect for people's resources and have humility. You are fighting MCS. That is not what we want. You are elected by the people. You are chosen by God. Serve the people of God. Your Excellency Simba Arati, Twara Masikani Asabara Ibande. All these MCAs were also elected and given a platform by the people. Are now being forced Kobeka reflectors. Are now being forced Kobeka reflectors to governor. There is a torture chamber. It is now a crime scene today as we speak. So, Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, as the people of Kisii County, you are given a platform. We may differ in ideology. Lakini wala bantu baitemeremo eli county yetu ya Kisii na into skill chosio. Lakini lero isa kwa benchi ragetega benchi Matoke dirina atenete andinye sana ngete chinguru ebintu bitaraisa na igobi mu buko bikaye gongo na goliya bigo isana ene ngoira nande.